Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Selene Luxury Residences in Uptown Dallas. The Selene Luxury Residences in Uptown Dallas. This is their clubhouse. It's a really pretty clubhouse. It is right next to the pool, which we're gonna go see that in next actually. But very pretty, classy, gorgeous, great place to just kind of chill and relax. Now you do have conference rooms that are over there. There's conference rooms. There are two that are available. You can just grab those anytime. You can see somebody was in one of them. It's got a full kitchen that's here. Really, really pretty area. Great lighting. You can see there's printer that's here. There is a Bosch microwave, so it's a fun area to be in. And very private, quiet, and yet you're gonna have a lot of windows and just see some great views here. So it's a fun place to be. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, or if you're ready to take a tour, send me a text. That's the fastest way to get a tour set up is really through me. It's even faster than going through the Selene because they're sometimes busy, they can't help, and they only keep office hours, but we're available 24/7. We can set up those tours right away. Okay, now we're gonna go out and see the pool. Let's go see those right now.